Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a sketch the signal example which was asked as a doubt by one of our students in the comment section. This is again a continuous time example. Many of you have found our previous videos useful. Hope you'll find this one also useful. Please do share these videos with your friends in need. So let's start. What we have is x of t is equal to t minus 1 in the brackets, and this we need to multiply by u of t. So to make drawing the final signal easier, we will divide this signal into parts. So t is one part, then the second is 1, next is u of t is 3. So first what I have done is drawn x of like the first part of the signal, that is t. So when you say that a signal is equal to t, it is equivalent to the ramp signal, which is a 45-degree straight line across the axis. So the amplitude of each point is going to be equal to whatever t value you have. So at t equal to 0, the amplitude is 0. At t equal to 1, amplitude is 1. T equal to 2, amplitude is 2, and so on. And for the next signal, that is 1, what we have is a continuous time signal with amplitude 1, which is stretching from minus infinity to plus infinity. And to get this bracket part of the signal, we are going to subtract the second one with the first one. So if you see here, the first signal at 0 is 0 and second signal at 0 is 1. So at 0, our resultant signal is going to have 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. Similarly, at 1, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is 1. So at 1, our resultant signal is going to have 1 minus 1, which is 0. Similarly at 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And if you go to the left hand side of the axis, it will be minus 1, which is minus 2. Similarly, it will be minus 2, minus 1, which is minus 3 at minus 2. So this, when you just draw these points, you can just plot these points and then just draw straight lines across it to get the resultant. That is, this we have drawn the first, the bracket part, that is t minus 1 has been completed. Now we know u of t is a unit step signal, which is a continuous 1 amplitude from 0 to infinity. So that is something that I have drawn over here. And this, now it's just simple because you're going to multiply that first part of the signal, this part, with u of t. When you multiply any signal by u of t, you're going to just directly take the right hand side of the y-axis and get as the resultant. So in this case, when you multiply it by u of t, the resultant signal will be only the right hand part of the y-axis. So we'll have minus 1, 1, 1, like minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and this part of the signal. So I'll show you what I've drawn. It will be minus 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is very simple. The second part, the multiplication, is very simple. So to multiply any signal by u of t, you just need to take the right hand side. The left hand side will disappear after you get the resultant signal. So this is the final output or the resultant that we were expecting. Hope you understood this. If you have any doubts related to this video or any other concept related to electronics or computer science engineering, please let us know in the comments and we'll try to help you. Also do like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you for watching.